Bahrain's Crown Prince announced a massive $17 billion investment in the U.S. during a meeting with President Trump. Meanwhile, the White House is pushing ahead with aggressive trade policies, including new tariffs on Japan and a potential deal with India. Bahrain's Crown Prince Salman bin Hamad Al Khalifa met President Trump in the Oval Office on Wednesday, announcing plans to invest more than $17 billion in the United States. The headline deal: a $7 billion package for Gulf Air, which is Bahrain's national carrier, to buy 12 Boeing aircraft, with an option for 6 more, along with 40 General Electric engines. Now, the White House says the move will support 30,000 American jobs and includes major partnerships with Oracle and Cisco. As Bahrain places Chinese infrastructure with U.S. tech, Bahrain's capital will also flow into American aluminum, LNG production and AI chip development, targeting U.S. energy and tech security. While the two nations also inked a peaceful nuclear partnership, deepening their long-standing military and strategic ties. Bahrain hosts the U.S. Navy's 5th Fleet and normalized relations with Israel in 2020 under the Abraham Accords. But all this comes as President Trump turns up the heat on global trade, especially with allies like Japan, India and the EU. The Trump administration announced new 25% tariffs on imports from Japan and South Korea, effective from August 1st, with more than 150 smaller nations now facing a 10% universal tariff. Deals with Indonesia are done. Talks with India and the European Union are underway, with the EU warning a 30% tariff could triple trade between the two blocs. Trump's team, led by Commerce Secretary Howard Lutnick and Trade Representative Jamieson Greer, says that the move aims to slash the $1.2 trillion U.S. trade deficit and rebuild advanced manufacturing. And for more details, our correspondent Susan Tehrani has sent us this report. Take a look.
Bahrain announced over $17 billion in deals with U.S. companies during the Crown Prince's visit to the White House with President Donald Trump. The biggest contract is a $7 billion order from Gulf Air to buy 12 Boeing jets and 40 GE engines, which officials say will create some 30,000 American jobs. Other agreements include investments in U.S. liquefied natural gas, aluminum production, artificial intelligence chips, and replacing Chinese servers with Cisco systems. The two countries also signed a memorandum to explore civilian nuclear cooperation, a step towards a formal nuclear agreement. Now, Bahrain stressed that these are real binding commitments and one of the largest single-day investments from a Gulf nation to the United States. President Trump later had dinner with Qatar's Prime Minister. Susan Tehrani reporting from New York for WION The World.